sounds pretty good. I got a nice idle. The battery was down. I've got it on the charger. I call that my ICU unit. Good oil flow. Okay, I'm going to leave it sitting here on the charger overnight, getting a good charge on the battery. Bike sounds good. I'm going to do an overnight leak test and see if anything shows up. And call it good, maybe enough for the client to take and put some miles on. Here's the BMW that I'm borrowing. This is a BMW Classic Cruiser. It was their idea for a chopper back in the year 2000. This bike is a 2000. It's in gorgeous condition. Runs like a top. And a friend of mine's lending it to me. It's about the size of a Road King, I swear. But it's got a really low seat height, really easy to ride. And I think it's going to be do just fine. So it's a year 2000 and it's got 28,000 miles on it. So ridden yes, worn out no. And I'm going to put that on the in the trailer behind the RV, of which is out here. This is my new RV that I just bought. And I'm going to put that motorcycle in a nice enclosed trailer behind it, head to North Carolina to visit my brother, and my brother, and my brother, and my brother, and my nephews, and my grandchildren, grandkids, all boys, all guys, because we're all getting together for a guy's motorcycle 10 days in North Carolina. And so anyway, that's what's in the shop. The Norton is running pretty good. The yellow one. The black one, it still has things to happen. The Triumph is just here in storage, and my two bikes, my Norton and my Triumph, are sitting here under covers, having not been ridden in over a year, the poor things. So anyway, things are happening. Boxes for stuff to go out to the RV. So, hey Richard, say hi.
Hi!
My neighbor Richard, mechanical genius, helps me out a lot. Okay, so anyway, that's what's happening around the old shop. I will check oil leakage tomorrow after this thing's just for 24 hours and call her good. Okay, I've got the bike set up for an overnight leak test in the vertical position. If anything comes out, if it comes out okay, I'll try it tomorrow sitting on the side stand. I've got the battery still on the ICU, charging up over there. I put some heavy, thick rubber on both sides of the battery to keep it from bouncing around so badly. So that's much more stable. And ran it about 15 minutes or so. And now we'll just see what happens overnight. And then tomorrow we'll see what happens on the side stand. And that's where we are. That's all the news from ye old shoppy. And the fun just never stops.